Hello, motorcycle enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting video. Today we'll be diving into a popular debate among riders, the comparison between belt and chain-driven motorcycles. The choice between belt and chain drive systems can significantly impact a motorcycle's performance, maintenance requirements, and overall riding experience. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll explore the key differences, advantages, and considerations of belt and chain-driven motorcycles. Let's get started. Introduction to belt and chain drive systems. Belt and chain drive systems are two common methods used to transfer power from the engine to the rear wheel of a motorcycle. The primary difference lies in the type of mechanism employed to transmit power. Belt drives utilize a reinforced rubber or synthetic belt, while chain drives use a metal chain with link sprockets. Both systems have their unique characteristics and considerations.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Performance and power transfer. When it comes to performance, both belt and chain drive systems have their advantages. Belt drives are known for their smooth and quiet operation. The belt's flexibility helps to absorb vibrations, resulting in a smoother ride. They also require less maintenance and are generally cleaner compared to chain drives. On the other hand, chain drives offer efficient power transfer, making them a preferred choice for high-performance motorcycles. The direct contact of metal on metal allows for quick acceleration and better response, especially in sport bikes. Maintenance and durability. Maintenance requirements and durability are essential considerations for motorcycle owners. Belt drives typically require less maintenance compared to chain drives. They don't need lubrication and have a longer lifespan, reducing the frequency of replacements. However, belts can be susceptible to damage from rocks, debris, or excessive tension. Chain drives require regular cleaning, lubrication, and tension adjustments. With proper maintenance, chains can provide long-lasting performance, but they do need periodic replacements as they wear over time. Cost and accessibility. Cost is a significant factor to consider when choosing between belt and chain drives. Belt drive systems tend to be more expensive up front due to the cost of the belt itself and the pulley system. However, the reduced maintenance requirements and longer lifespan can offset the initial investment in the long run. Chain drive systems are generally more affordable initially, but they require ongoing maintenance and occasional replacements, which can incur additional costs. Additionally, chain drives are widely available and can be easily serviced or replaced in most motorcycle shops. Riding experience and application. The choice between belt and chain drive systems can also impact the riding experience and the motorcycle's intended application. Belt drives, with their smooth operation and reduced vibration, offer a more comfortable ride, making them well-suited for touring or cruiser motorcycles. Chain drives, with their direct power transfer and responsiveness, are preferred by riders who value sporty performance and aggressive riding. They are commonly found in sport bikes and off-road motorcycles. Personal preference and considerations. Ultimately, the choice between belt and chain drive systems comes down to personal preference and considerations. Some riders prioritize ease of maintenance and a smooth ride, making belt drives the preferred choice. Others prioritize performance, responsiveness, and the ability to customize gear ratios, favoring chain drives. It's crucial to assess your riding style, intended use, and maintenance preferences to make an informed decision. The choice between belt and chain-driven motorcycles depends on several factors, including performance, maintenance, cost, and personal preference. Belt drives offer smoothness, low maintenance, and longevity, while chain drives provide efficient power transfer and customization options. It's recommended to test ride motorcycles with both drive systems and assess which one aligns better with your riding style and preferences. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the differences and considerations between belt and chain-driven motorcycles. Remember, the choice between these drive systems ultimately depends on factors such as performance, maintenance, cost, and personal preference. Both belt and chain drives have their unique advantages and considerations, so it's important to evaluate your priorities and test ride motorcycles equipped with each system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more motorcycle-related content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the open road.